Welcome to episode 3 of That was close. Welcome to episode 3 of Food Reviews. Today we're going to be tasting the Tyson chicken nuggets. And I've never tried them before. I only tried the Members Market Sam's Club. So, on the count of 3, you ready, Ava?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. They're okay. I mean, I would say it's all 8 out of 10, probably.
I need some, ketchup or something like that, right?
Say it again, please.
Ketchup.
I mean, true, but I haven't finished chicken yet. The first one. Yeah, you haven't finished your chicken nugget. I'll need some water. I wonder where that came from.
What?
We got ketchup! Oh, it looks really good. All right. I'll just put your chicken nugget outside. I'm going to put a little ketchup in both of ours.
And yes, you may think this is gross putting our food on the table, but
It's not. For YouTube video, everybody does it. All right, you ready? Dip it in ketchup. 3, 2, 1. That's actually really good with the ketchup. That's even better.
that's better than last video.
Right? We did all twice for food review number 1 and 2. This is number 3, all right? Fish chicken nugget. Fish chicken nugget.
What?
Finish it. Well, that was it for food review number 3. I hope you enjoyed. And comment down below if you'd like to see more food reviews with many other varieties of food.
Or if you comment down below if you want to see us do a game.
Maybe.
Or comment down below if you think our videos are so cool. Remember to like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. Don't dislike, by the way.